Hey all! Welcome back to my channel. Today's project is so beautiful and very unique. I had so much fun creating it. We're going to make a braided vase using air dry clay. Today is all about recycling tin cans. Take small part and roll it out using your hands. Roll it gently without any hard pressure. Fold it half, now twist them. Now take small part again and roll it, fold it half, and twist them opposite direction away from the other one. Lay them next to each other and press them slightly together to secure. This way I've created the braid. Attach the braid to the can. It should cover the height of the can. To secure each braid, simply roll it over the top and the bottom edge of the can. For better understanding, I'm showing you again. Once the tin is fully covered with braids, leave it to fully dry. You can protect it with varnish or you can color it also. Both will look stunning. I'm trying to create a gradient with 3 colors. They are pale pink, white, and aqua blue. Let's enjoy the process to create the gradient. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. You can use it as flower vase or planter or makeup brush holder or pen holder as well. Let me know your valuable feedback about this recycling project on the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.